Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by signing into your Nordvpn account on a desktop browser. You can't cancel from inside the VPN app in most cases. Once signed in, navigate to the dashboard and click Account Settings. This is where subscription details live. Make sure you have the exact account email and the payment method used because you may need to confirm identity. If you want a refund, check the 30-day policy now so you can act fast and request it immediately after canceling. You now go to Subscription or Billing and find the active plan line. Once there, click Manage Subscription, then choose Cancel Subscription. Nordvpn will prompt for confirmation and a reason. Read any on-screen info about remaining days and refunds. This explains why you might still have access until the period ends. After you confirm, make sure you see the cancellation confirmation on screen and capture a screenshot, or save the confirmation ID for your records in case you need to dispute charges later. Once done, check your inbox for the cancellation confirmation email. You'll need that for proof. If you expected a refund and don't see one, contact Nordvpn support via live chat and provide the confirmation ID and payment details. They process refunds per policy. If cancellation didn't register, don't panic. Open support, request manual cancellation, and attach your screenshot. Make sure to verify future billing statements so you avoid unexpected charges. And
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.